Hi friends, this is Brito. Welcome to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic checklist. Let's get into the session. Here I have given you a short introduction about the term checklist. The checklist ensures a systematic process of activities. It is essential to prepare a checklist before an individual attempts to perform certain tasks without a hitch. The use of checklist will ensure that everything is done properly to complete the task successfully. Okay. Actually, the term checklist is just like a reminder. Okay. For example, when we go to school, we used to check ourselves whether we have taken our identity card or whether we have taken our lunch box or whether we have taken our subjects books or notes, whether we have taken our stationery items or what are the needed materials. Okay, or before going into the examination hall, we check ourselves whether we have taken our identity card or hall ticket or water bottle or whatever it may be. We used to check ourselves or we used to remind ourselves what we have taken before getting into the particular field. So the checklist is act as a reminder which helps to do certain things without hitches. And here I have given you the format for checklist. The first thing, title of the checklist. We have to give a suitable title for the checklist, and the interrogative form should be used. Interrogative form in the sense we know question. Here we can use yes or no type questions to frame checklist. And the third thing, yes or no boxes should be provided for each question. We have to provide yes or no boxes. Whether if we have completed our task, we can give yes. If we are not, we have to tick the no box. Okay. The question should be begin with the do verb, to or to have verb. Okay. Here I have given you a simple example. Write a checklist to attend an interview. This is the format of checklist. First we have to give serial number, then statements and our responses, whether it is yes or no. Has the call letter for the interview been taken? Have all the original certificates been taken and arranged in order? Have I taken my personal biodata, identity card and etc. to attend the interview? If we have taken all these kind of things, we give tick mark in the yes. Otherwise, we just cross check ourselves and we gather all those things before getting into the interview panel. And here I have given you few exercises for checklist. Prepare an 8-item checklist before you embark on a journey to a hill station. Imagine you are a team leader of your branch and you are going to Mumbai for an industrial visit. Write a checklist. Write down a checklist containing at least 8 items to avoid fire accidents in public functions. With the help of the format, try to write checklist based on the given topics. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.